V1 base form drink. V2 past form drank. V3 past participle drunk. V4 present par, drinking. V5 SES drinks. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb drink? Answer. The base form of the verb drink is drink. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb drink? Answer. The past form of the verb drink is drank. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb drink? Answer. The past participle of the verb drink is drunk. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb drink? Answer. The present participle of the verb drink is drinking. Question 5. What is the third person singular SES of the verb drink? Answer. The third person singular SES of the verb drink is drinks. Verb forms. Example sentences. V1 I like to drink water. V2 they drank soda at the party. V3 he has drunk a lot of juice. V4 we are drinking tea right now. V5 she drinks coffee every morning. Subscribe my channel.